Steps to send a reminder in Outlook. Compose your email. Open Outlook and start a new email as you normally would. Fill in the recipient's address, subject, and the content of the email. Set a reminder for the recipient. On the Message tab of the email you're composing, look for the Follow Up button. Click on Follow Up and choose Add Reminder from the drop-down. Customize the reminder. In the Reminder window, uncheck the Flag for Me option if you don't need a reminder. Check Flag for Recipients to ensure the reminder is set for the recipient. You can select a follow-up label or just leave it as default. Under Reminder, set the date and time you want the reminder to trigger for the recipient. Send the email. After setting the reminder, hit OK to save it. Finally, click Send to deliver the email. What the recipient sees. The recipient will receive your email with a follow-up flag. When the set reminder time arrives, Outlook will display a pop-up reminder for them to follow up on the task or email content. This method is perfect for ensuring your recipient follows up on tasks or responses in a timely manner, especially if they tend to overlook emails.